Watch TurnProTrader in action and see for yourself how effective and profitable it is. Here's a trade I'm looking to enter. We've got some divergence from here to here. On the indicator, that divergence is right here. And we're looking to break this trend line, which we did right here. So waiting for the candle to close, it went down a bit too far for my liking, but I'm going to go ahead and run with it. And as soon as it does close, we're going to sell. And TurnProTrader has put the stop loss exactly where we need it. So I don't need to adjust it, but I'm going to go ahead and move it down a bit just so you can see that when you do adjust it, the two targets move as well automatically, but that's all you need to do. You can walk away at this point and TurnProTrader is going to take care of the rest. Now, I'm currently in with 2 lots, and if we hit the first target, TurnProTrader will close half the order and move the stop to plus 5 pips. At that point, profit's already been taken. It's been locked in. And as the candle moves towards the second target, we're basically in a free safe trade, meaning we can't lose. So the first target is at $448 or 44.8 pips. The second target is at $896, which is 89.6 pips. Now we just have to wait for the trade to mature and see what happens. But like I said, if we make it to the first target, we lock in 44.8 pips. We'll make a minimum of 5 pips on the second target no matter what. The mistake that most amateur traders make when they enter a trade like this is they get to within 1 or 2 pips of their target and it misses, and then the candle jumps right back up and hits their stop loss, giving them a 0 profit or even a small loss. Professional traders will always trade 2 lots, and once they're halfway to their target, you close out half the trade. That way, you've locked in that much profit. Some traders will even go ahead and let the other half run, but I like to keep my second profit target on. As long as your take profit is 2 to 1, using this strategy, you can literally lose 50% of the time and still make a profit from it. Now watch as this order closes. You're going to see on the chart that the stop gets moved, and there it is. As soon as the candle pokes past our target, TurnProTrader closes half the order and moves the stop to plus 5 pips, which is exactly what we want. So now we'd love this candle to come all the way down to our second target and give us the full 89.6 pips. But if it doesn't, it just doesn't matter because we've already locked in 44.8 pips with the first half of the order. Even if it comes back up and we hit our stop, we're still going to get another 5 pips with the second order. So we're in this trade for free. It's a win-win situation. Now, obviously, I'm going to be editing out some of the waiting of this video so you don't have to sit and watch it. But keep in mind, I could still close my second order at any time. I don't have to wait for it to hit the second target. I don't have to wait for it to go all the way back to my stop. If I feel like it's about to turn around and head back up, I can just go ahead and close it and keep all those pips. Take a look at this. Right here's the 50% mark between our stop and our target. If I felt like it wasn't going to keep going down, I could hit close all and end the trade, and the trade would be done. These buttons you see here in TurnProTrader, this is all you need. Buy, sell, close partial, and close all. If you have both your orders still open and you hit close all, it closes both orders. So at this point, I am seeing a turnaround here and it's heading back up to the halfway mark between the stop and the second target. So I've already made around $1,000. So I think I'm going to go ahead and close it out. I don't think it's going to reach the second target. But here's the 2 trades that I just took. The first one that, remember, was automatically taken by TurnProTrader as soon as it hit that first target. That was for $450 profit. That left me with the second order still running. And once it looked like it wasn't going to make it to the second target and was actually turning back around, I closed it manually, took a $515 profit for a total of $965 before broker commissions. Do you want to turn your trading around 180 degrees? Are you ready to become a professional trader? Have you ever wondered what separates the professional trader from the amateur? Have you wondered why 97% of all new traders fail? Have you seen your trades go 50% to 70% plus into profit just to turn around and hit your stop loss? Or even worse, have you blown up account after account? Just give me a few minutes of your time and I'll tell you why this is happening to you and how to avoid it. Hi there, my name is Jason Sweezey, and just like you, I started out as an amateur trader. In fact, I didn't learn how to trade professionally on my own. I had to learn it from someone. My mentor carefully explained to me back in 2006 that becoming a professional trader is not always about the strategy you use. It's more about what you do to manage the trade after you get into it. I learned 4 of the most important questions you can ask about your trades. What size stop loss do I use? How much should I risk on each trade? Where do I put my stop loss? Where do I place my take profit? You see, most amateur traders fail to make a consistent profit because they fail to plan, or they don't follow the plan once they pull the trigger, resulting in a failed trade plan. But once you put TurnProTrader to work for you, it'll show you how to plan the trade, then trade the plan on autopilot. Better yet, I'll show you how to turn the odds in your favor for a change. Like how winning only 5 trades out of 10 will still net you a profit. How to take pips like the professionals do. How to take 50% of the profit off the table and let the other 50% run. How to cut your losses short and let your profits run. And that's just the beginning. When you have the TurnProTrader trade assistant watching over your trades, your trading will become seamlessly effortless. You'll be able to set your take profit level at 1-to-1, 2-to-1, or even a 3-to-1 win-loss ratio. You'll be able to drag and drop your stop loss to the closest near swing high or near swing low, which in turn will automatically readjust your take profit level to the correct money management price point to give you consistent profit potential. But that isn't even the best part. TurnProTrader will manage your trade once you pull the trigger, and that's your turning point. When you start to consistently get into this rhythm of trading, you'll turn into a pro trader instantly, taking consistent profits out of the market session after session. If you said yes, then put a stop to losing and get your copy of TurnProTrader today.